In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to an email thread in Gmail. This task might seem a little daunting at first, but with these clear steps, you'll find it quite straightforward. Imagine you're handling a conversation via email, and you want to bring someone new into the discussion. An email thread, for those who might not be familiar, is essentially a collection of emails that revolve around a single subject, helping you keep related messages organized in one place. So, to begin this process, you'll need to open the email thread that you'd like to share. First, navigate to your inbox and locate that specific thread you're interested in. Once you have it, click to open and view all the emails within it. Now that you have the thread open, direct your attention to the toolbar sitting just above your emails. You'll notice a button that resembles three small dots. This is commonly known as the More button. It's essentially a gateway to several additional actions you can perform with your emails. The More button holds a variety of useful tools that you may need from time to time, making it quite handy. Once you click on the More button, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Forward All. By doing this, you take all of the messages within the email thread and bundle them together to send to the new recipient. Think of it as gift wrapping all the previous discussions in the thread, making sure the new person receives the entire conversation in its entirety, and gets the full picture of what's been discussed so far. After selecting Forward All, a new window will appear. This is your canvas to compose a new email, and here's where you'll enter the email address of the person you wish to add to the conversation. Always double-check to ensure you type the correct address, avoiding any potential mix-ups. If you're aiming to forward this thread to multiple people, that's perfectly fine. You can add several email addresses by separating each with a comma. Before you hit that send button, it's always a good idea to include a brief note or introduction. This note serves to inform the new recipient about why they are being included in this email thread. A little context can go a long way, especially if the person isn't already familiar with the previous discussions. Once that's ready, you can go ahead and send off the email. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to add someone to your email thread by forwarding the entire conversation to them. This approach is straightforward and thorough, ensuring the new recipient is well informed and up to date on all past communications. This method provides a seamless transition to sharing information, making sure everyone is on the same page and well informed.